Hello, I wanted to just discuss briefly ArcGIS Online. The image you're looking at on screen shows a triangle with ArcGIS Online in the middle. ArcGIS Online is obviously a cloud-based mapping platform. What I wanted to talk about today was the ability to actually access and interact with ArcGIS Online. So the three corners of the application or the image show mobile, desktop and web. We're actually going to walk through examples in each of these areas based on what we're doing with the Idaho Transportation Department. I just give an example in each case of how we are using ArcGIS Online to collaborate. What I'm going to show first is the mobile piece. So what you're looking at on the screen here is actually an application called Reflector, which allows you to mirror your iPad on your desktop. So what you're looking at here is an iPad which is connected to my PC. The application that's just loaded is a Flex mobile application which uses the ArcGIS Flex API. It's an editing application, so it allows both data collection and editing of those particular features. You're looking at a web map here with points and line data and polygon data. If you're interested to know more about the application, please see some of the other videos in our blog which discusses the application in a bit more detail. What we're going to do simply here is just collect some data. Now this application is designed not only to work online but also offline. And what I'm going to do here is actually set the application to offline. Now one thing you'll see here quickly is as it loads offline, the base map will actually disappear now. The application itself does load a base map offline. We just haven't got one set here. So at the minute we're actually in offline mode. So everything you're looking at is being read from and to the device. What we're simply going to do here is just add a point feature. So in this case it's culverts, and we're just going to add one in an arbitrary place on the application here. So that's the pop-up that comes up. We're just going to OK that. And you can see the point is on the map there. Let's now go ahead and go online. What you see there is that point actually disappears and we load the base map again. We've actually got an option in the application to upload that data to the server. So if we hit the apply online, the offline edits piece, we'll get a pop-up that says OK, it's updated, and there is that feature that we've added. The application itself allows attachments to be included with that mix. So we've actually now added that point, and if we wanted to we could actually change the attributes there and, as I said, do an attachment. Let's not do that. Let's actually just go ahead and look at ArcGIS, the desktop ArcMap. There is ArcMap, there's the application itself. So we've already loaded. What you can do in ArcMap 10.1 is you can actually load that web map in ArcMap itself. Now you don't see the point. Let's just pan so it reloads that data. And there is the point that we've just added from the mobile application, and we can select that and we can see the attributes and we can do various analysis against this data that's on screen here. So we've got the collection and editing piece through mobile, we've got the analytics piece through ArcGIS, through ArcMap. There is also, if you log into your ArcGIS Online account, there is analytics and a whole variety of tools as web applications within ArcMap itself, within ArcGIS Online itself. What we wanted to do with the Idaho Transportation Department was to actually include a customized application, which is this. You've just actually seen that point being added to the web map. So what we've created here is actually a web application which goes above and beyond what ArcGIS Online, the web version of ArcGIS Online when you log in, is. So we wanted to add some additional tools to what we have here, and this is mostly for the use by executives, etc., or those in the office who want to then access that data. So we've collected that point. We actually now want to use Google Street View as an example. This is one we were particularly interested in adding. So by clicking on the road, we actually get integrated into the application Google Street View. Now this is kind of important within the transportation sector as the people in the office are looking at those guys that are in the field. They can actually see the road, they can see the guardrails, they can see any of the other assets that we're working with here. So that's a nice additional widget that we can include here. Let's just close that. Other options we've included are, there's a draw option as well, so if we needed to do some annotations or some calculations, we can do that. There's a print option, and we've actually got a search option as well, so there's a search widget which allows us to actually isolate a particular, in this case a culvert. So let's put in C1407, and let's do a search, and there is that particular culvert there. So we've got the three pieces of complementary applications which allow us to access ArcGIS Online. So we've gone from data collection and editing to doing analytics against it in desktop, to then accessing it via the web and having executive dashboards and other custom tools which access that data. Thanks for watching.